Are you worried that talking to your partner about money is going to cause a fight? In this video, I'm going to tell you that not only will talking about money probably not cause an argument in your relationship, it actually can help to deepen intimacy in your marriage. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about how talking about money in your marriage can help to deepen your relationship. Hey, I'm Lindsay. I'm one of 50 financial therapists in the country, and today we are going to be talking about why talking to your partner about money is a form of intimacy. So let's first tackle that fear, right? The fear, the worry is that talking to your spouse about money is going to cause an argument, or it's going to be awkward, or it's going to be uncomfortable. And we get these messages all throughout our life, right? We get the message that talking about money is taboo, it's gross, it's not polite. And so we start to internalize those things. And then it starts to become a self-fulfilling prophecy in our marriage. Because what starts to happen is that if you're not talking about money in your relationship until something goes wrong, right? Until the stuff hits the fan, so to speak, then you're only talking about money when you and your spouse are already pretty emotionally heightened. Like, let's say if your roof starts leaking and all of a sudden you need to spend a bunch of money to fix the hole in your roof, then the tensions are high, and then you start to believe, see, this is why we don't talk about money, because every time we talk about money, it results in an argument. So it becomes this self-fulfilling prophecy of, if we talk about money, we will argue. And that's just not true. So let's talk about intimacy for just a second. What is intimacy? Sure, you can think about it in a sexual way, but actually, intimacy just means connecting with somebody else. So how can we use money to connect with your partner? Intimacy is all about vulnerability and sharing and connection. And what better medium to be vulnerable and connect and share in your marriage than money? So let's think about it in that way. How can we use money as a way to talk about goals and wants and aspirations, and how can we use that instead of this fear-based tactic, this fear-based worry that talking about money is going to cause some sort of fight? So let's think about that reframe. What about bringing up money with your partner can you use as a way to talk about your shared goals, or about each of your individual visions for what you want money to do for you? What about some of the vulnerabilities, the fears of, oh, I'm worried that maybe if we spend money over here, we won't be able to fund this goal as well. So using money and using your personal finances can be a great way to form that deepened relationship with your partner. So let me give you a little tip of how to get this started, because a lot of people are like, wow, I don't even talk to my husband or wife about money. Getting this started is going to be really weird. So let's talk about it from that aspirational needs and wants. So try something like what would be fun, or what would be cool, or what would be exciting as a way to kind of coax some vulnerability from your partner. So something like, wouldn't it be cool if in 5 years we went to Europe for 2 weeks? Or wouldn't it be cool if by this time next year we were doing weekly date nights without the kids? Or wouldn't it be cool if in a few years you got that old car that you got to restore, right? So asking about financial goals from this aspirational place can really help to carve out space and hold space for intimacy in your relationship. And if you want more tips about how to get the money conversation started, I know it can feel a little bit awkward, but I've got a guide specifically for breadwinning women, because 29%, almost a third, of heterosexual married couples are in relationships where she is making more. So be sure to grab that free guide. It's in the description box, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and if you want to see more videos like this. It helps me to create content that you want to see. So be sure to grab that guide, hit that like, hit that subscribe, or that follow if you're watching this on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video.